Thursday. Viv, good morning.
Good morning, Ethan. Lorena, South Florida, thank you for starting your day with us. Yesterday, the bulk of the rain happened in Broward County. Better than 3 inches, almost 3.5 inches of rain fell in Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport, 2 inches in Lighthouse Point, in Plantation, 1 85/100ths of an inch of rain, and in North Lauderdale, 2 39/100ths of an inch of rain. And it will be much drier today. There's still a little bit of moisture to see a few spotty showers, maybe an isolated storm, but drier air is already starting to work its way in from the north and west. Right now it's 76 degrees in Fort Lauderdale, 78 in Miami, 77 Homestead. Across the Keys, pretty warm. Cudjoe Key, the top spot, checking in at 84. We've seen a few spotty downpours move through the Keys, but right now mostly dry, just monitoring some flare-ups right around the Bayside near North Key Largo and Tavernier. And in Broward and Miami-Dade, the activity that entered interior portions, well, it's starting to fall apart. Your complete outlook, that's coming up in a few minutes. Good morning, South Florida. Hopefully everyone's off to a great start. We're waking up to a few upper wispy clouds, but also some lower level clouds that have been producing some isolated showers. Thankfully, the showers that have been out west, they're starting to get weaker, but we'll monitor the possibility of seeing some of these impacting your commute around US 27 between Broward and Miami-Dade. Right now, Tamiami Trail actually getting a little bit of shower activity, and there's one shower now starting to impact Key Largo and Tavernier. And here's a look at the big view. Drier air is already nudging a little bit closer to us, but there's still a little bit of moisture for a few spotty showers this morning, and heading into the afternoon, maybe an isolated downpour at best. The wind is out of the west, and wow, it was a record-setting day yesterday in Miami and in Key West. Miami came in with 94, and anytime we have this southwest westerly wind this time of year, it definitely helps temperatures climb fast. And we have a west wind now between 5 to 10 miles per hour. It's 78 in Miami, 83 degrees in Key West. So for today, it's a mix of sun and clouds. It's not going to be as wet. Then we look ahead into our Friday. Rainy season officially starts, and we're entering into a more typical rainy season, summertime pattern heading into the upcoming weekend, with high pressure taking over and an ocean breeze returning across the region. So as we look ahead into the upcoming weekend, anytime we have this onshore flow, a little bit of moisture moving in from the Atlantic, overnight, early morning, we'll see an isolated passing shower. And then with the heating of the day, the sea breeze will fire up some storms favoring inland areas in southwest Florida. This will be the pattern that will stick around not only over the weekend, but into next week with a nice fresh breeze. Your boating forecast right now looks okay. No advisories. Seas building 2 to 3 feet. Biscayne Bay light chop, light to a moderate chop in the Keys. And now in the 6 o'clock hour, we will have high tide in Fort Lauderdale, Miami, and in Key West coming up at 8:14. So for today, we'll have highs in the 90s, a lower rain chance heading into tonight. A couple clouds keeping conditions dry overnight, with your extended outlook calling for steamy above average temperatures to be in place well into next week. But we'll have a chance of seeing some showers and storms starting Saturday. We'll keep that potential with a nice beach breeze well into next week. And that's your 7 on 7 forecast.